Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about something kind of crazy, and if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, how are you? My name is Kelsey, and today we're going to be talking about a surgery that I'm getting to change my voice. So I think I'm going to do two parts to this video. I think I'm going to give you guys the opportunity to ask me questions down below, and then in the next part of the video I'll answer those questions and make it a little bit more medical and a little bit more informative for any people that might be going through the same thing. But this video is going to be a little bit more general. So basically, I was born with something called Stickler syndrome, and long story short, I had a cleft palate that was fixed, but my voice is compromised a little bit. And over time, as I get older, it seems that the quality of my voice is going downhill. And it's completely physical. It has nothing to do with my speech. I have been seen by a speech pathologist, and it has nothing to do with me or the way that I talk. It really is about the way the air is flowing with my mouth and nose. So I am getting a corrective surgery tomorrow on May 31st. So today is May 30th as I'm filming this. And I'm getting the procedure is called a Furlow Palatoplasty. And again, I'm going to do a more medical vlog for those of you who really want the details, because there's got to be somebody out there that's going through the same thing. But basically, I should sound a little bit more clear after, and there should be a little bit less noise. And what I mean by noise is like that that rumbly sound that comes with some of my letters. That should be gone, hopefully. The surgery doesn't have a 100% success rate, so I'm trying to go in without super high expectations, but I'm hoping that it solves the problem, because it is pretty uncomfortable to talk. It's not just the sound that's the issue. It's kind of uncomfortable to talk. I have to work really hard to try to stop that rumbling sound from coming out. And oh my gosh, if you guys can only see, I had to blacklist the word voice from my entire YouTube channel, because all it is why does her voice sound like that? Your voice is so annoying. You sound like you have cotton balls shoved in the back of your mouth. I get the most ridiculous comments about my voice, and not that that's why I'm doing this, but my point is, something is obviously like taking a turn. I didn't sound this bad before. And I've even had doctors ask me, did you just get a tooth pulled? And I'm like, no. Like, what kind of question is that? What kind of question? So obviously there's an issue, and some people say, oh my god, you sound completely fine, like I don't hear anything at all. And then there's other people who hear it 100%. So I'm sure we'll see that in the comments too. Some of you are going to be like, what do you mean? And some of you are going to be like, oh no, I can hear it. So hopefully this surgery shows an improvement. I have been pre-filming videos that'll go up over the next couple of weeks while I'm in recovery. I hope to be able to edit in recovery. Hopefully that's what I'm planning on, because I filmed and I still need to edit. And I'm gonna try to have a short recovery. So I'm gonna try to control my recovery, because I want to be able to start filming really soon after my surgery. It's been such a long process, you guys. I wanted to make sure that I knew what the problem was, so I went to allergists to find out if it was just my nose being stuffed up. I went to ENTs, I went to pediatric doctors, because this was a problem I had when I was a baby. So a lot of those doctors are pediatric doctors. It took about a year to figure this out. I've seen speech pathologists, I've gotten tests done to measure the levels, and all of that will be in the medical vlog. And long haul, and I actually had this surgery scheduled for December 27th of 2017, and I got the flu on Christmas on the 25th, so they had to cancel it. And this is my reschedule. And I actually got sick last week, and I was sick for 7 days, and I thought it was the flu, but it wasn't. But I thought I was gonna have to cancel it again, and then I was like, you know what, it's not meant to be. But I got better, so we're gonna do it. So keep me in your prayers, give me well wishes for the surgery. I mean, it's not supposed to be like a huge deal. It's like a 2-hour surgery, I think. But I mean, I get a little skeevy about any time that you're getting put under general anesthesia. There's a risk, So hopefully everything goes okay. I'm not afraid of needles or anything like that. I don't like being in the hospital, because I just hate the gowns, I hate all of that, but I don't care about needles and stuff like that. So I mean, the only thing that I would ever really worry about in the back of my head is, one, the general anesthesia, and like, I don't even want to say it, and then two, if the surgery doesn't work, it's gonna be really unfortunate. But I'm gonna save more of the physical talk about what they're gonna be doing for the medical vlog, because I know not everyone's gonna care about that. So I hope this video was informative for you guys, just so you kind of know what's going on in my life and what I'm about to be going through and all of that. And again, the medical vlog will be more so for people who are like super into it, or people who are going through the same thing. So yeah, if anybody wants any certain questions answered in that video, go ahead and leave them down below and I'll make sure that I answer them in the follow-up video. The good thing is I'm a YouTuber, so there's plenty of before speaking footage. I don't even have to record a before. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Again, leave me any comments down below. I hope I didn't leave anything out. I'm sorry if I did tonight. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, we gotta go, because in the medical vlog I'll talk about all of the details. Okay, I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.